Hi everyone, I am Anasvia, 6th standard student of St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Kumbalangi. I here to present my topic Area and Perimeter. The objectives of project are to learn what are area and perimeter, next learn how to find area and perimeter of objects of different shape, whether it is regular or irregular. The last, to understand how to apply area and perimeter in real life. Definition of area and perimeter. Area. The area can be defined as the space occupied by the flat shape or the surface of an object. Then perimeter. The perimeter can be defined as the path or the boundary that surrounds a shape or the length of the outline of a shape. Next we discuss about area and perimeter of the different shapes. First one, triangle. In geometry, a triangle is close to dimensional shape with three straight sides. Area of triangle. The area of triangle is equal to the base multiplied by the height divided by 2. Perimeter of triangle. The triangle we calculate its perimeter by adding three sides. Work out examples. In this triangle, its sides are 8 cm, 6 cm, 4 cm and its height is 5 cm. Then we calculate its area by the equation half bs is equal to half into 4 into 5. Answer is 10 cm square. Then perimeter, adding three sides a plus b plus c. That means 4 plus 6 plus 8. The answer is 18 cm. Next is square. A square is a regular quadrilateral, which means that it has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. Area of square. The area of square is equal to the square of side or side squared. It is measured in square unit. Area is equal to side square. Then perimeter of square. The perimeter of the square is equal to the 4 into side of the square. Work out examples. In this figure, the side of square is 8 cm. Then we calculate its area by side square is equal to 8 square. The answer is 64 cm square. Then perimeter, 4 into side of the square is equal to 4 into 8, that is equal to 32 cm. Next is rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. It has 2 equal length and 2 equal width. Area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is equal to the product of length and width. Area is equal to length into width. Perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle is twice the width plus twice the length, that also 2 into length plus width. Work out examples. In this rectangle, the length is 10 cm and width is 6 cm. Then we calculate its area by length into width is equal to 6 into 10. The answer is 16 cm square. Then perimeter is 2 into length plus width is equal to 2 into 6 plus 10. That answer is 32 cm. Next is circle. A circle is a round, two-dimensional shape. All points of the edge of the circle are at the same distance from the center. Area of circle. The area of the circle is space covered by the circle. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi is equal to the mathematical constant, that is 3.14. R is equal to the radius of the circle. Perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is measurement of the boundary of the circle. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. Work out examples. In this circle, its diameter is 6 cm. We know the radius is half of diameter. Its radius is 3 centimeter. Now we calculate area by pi r square is equal to 3.14 into 9 is equal to 28.26 centimeter square. Then perimeter is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 3 is equal to 18.84 centimeter. Next we discuss about area and perimeter of irregular shape. This is an irregular figure. How we find its area? First we divide this figure into 3 rectangles, that is ABKL, next rectangle CDIJ, the last is EFGH. Then we calculate the area of each rectangle by the equation length into width. The area of rectangle ABKL is equal to 20 into 4 is equal to 18 centimeter square. Next, the area of rectangle CDIJ is equal to 8 into 4 is equal to 32 centimeter square. And last, the area of rectangle EFGH is equal to 20 into 4 is equal to 18 centimeter square. Last, we get the total area of this figure by adding the area of 3 rectangles, that is 18 centimeter square plus 32 centimeter square plus 18 centimeter square is the answer is 192 centimeter square. Application of area and perimeter in real life. Area and perimeter are related in our daily life. For examples, you buy a house, you want to know how much floor space it contains. That is where area is calculated. If you want to build a fence around your property, that is where perimeter is calculated. Now we work out an example of area and perimeter in our daily life situation. This diagram shows the shape of Teresa's rose garden. Find the area of the garden. Teresa went to buy mulch for her garden. 1 bag of mulch covers 12 square feet. How many bags will she need? Area of the garden is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD plus area of the rectangle CEFG. We find the area of rectangle by the equation length into width. Area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 135 square feet. Area of the rectangle CEFG is equal to 216 square feet. Then the total area of Teresa's garden is equal to 351 square feet. Number of bags that Teresa need is equal to 351 divided by 12 is equal to 29.25. So 13 bags she need. Conclusion. Through this project, we can understand what are area and perimeter and how to apply area and perimeter in real life. I have great pleasure in extending my wholehearted thanks to all the people who helped me in this project. First, I thank God, the Almighty, for this grace, without which nothing would have been possible. I express my sincere gratitude to Mr. John Jude E.V. Headmaster and Mrs. Gloria Petty, my maths teacher, for the keen interest taken in guiding and help me with suggestions.